cooking class for corporates.
Corporate cooking class.
The purpose of the project is to empower refugees to run their own cooking classes in the community. Culinary Tales is a social enterprise formed by University of Sydney Enactus students.
Because we want to help the refugees.
The project will help the refugee to get a job.
Because we want them to feel warm in this society.
It's about learning the story behind the refugees. It's about hearing who they are, where they come from, and give them a lending hand to establish in a new society.
Provide the work experience to them.
If they can improve the interpersonal skill, they will easy to find a job in the future.
Let the public know the multiple culture. Maybe they will more care about the other country's culture. And
We want to enable Culinary Tales to take this framework and then be able to replicate it across Australia, probably around the world.
The location is our big kitchen at Bondi Junction.
On 28 October.